definitely had an amazing time in Venice. We went in and around and saw the stunning architecture, beautiful bridges, and of course, rode a gondola through the winding canals that intertwine the city. We will definitely go back if given a chance and spend a little more time. But our time is up and we are going to move up to Milan to attend a conference, the Euro Heart Care 2019, sponsored by European Society of Cardiology.
We're going to Milan!
She never knew where she came from.
From Milano Centrale station, we took an hour train ride to Varenna for only €6. It's a beautiful little town just northeast of the famous Bellagio. We strolled around these stunning alleyways and saw this beautiful lakeside town and was amazed by the people just relaxing by the shore. Things is there. From here, which is Varenna, which is an amazing place, by the way. It's within the Lake Como region, and from here we're planning to ride a boat, that's our boat right there now, towards Bellagio, the famous Bellagio.
Fabia, una golf impari me le mettete? La Fabia.
go to people's parties time to time. Yeah.
We're here now in Como. We just arrived from Bellagio. It's an hour fast via fast boat, and we're gonna stay here for a couple of days. Such an amazing place. I'm just gonna show you. So we're just chilling at the moment. Probably we're gonna go up the mountain, or we're gonna ride a cable car. As the dark quickly crept in, we made our way to San Giovanni station to catch an hour train ride back to the city of Milan. Exploring Lake Como in just a day is doable if you have a limited time when you are around Milan. But if you really wanted to embrace the atmosphere and relax by the lakeside, you should spend at least a night in one of the towns surrounding the lake. But for us, seeing this stunning lake just for a short while, consider our limited time, is more than enough. And if given a chance, we would definitely go back and spend more time.